We're at 7 Magic Mountain.
Yeah, 7 Mountain. I see Mountain.
All right. All right, we're at 7 Magic Mountain, created by Ugo Rondinone. And that is straight off the video I watched of him saying his name, because I did not know how to pronounce that. There it is over there. Oh, don't touch those. Can't touch those, baby. It was made in 2016, had a permit to only be here for about 2 years, and now they extended it through 2021. I see it, baby. Is that super cool?
Yeah.
Wow. What is it?
Rock.
It's a rock?
Yeah.
It is stone. That matches your shirt. That matches your shirt.
Like this, Anna.
Where? Yeah? The blue is Anna?
Me, Anna.
Come tell everyone what Anna is. Is it you?
Yeah, it's me, Anna.
You, Anna?
Yeah.
So, Anna, Elsa, Frozen, you know where we're going with this. Frozen is just the best thing in her world right now. You're running? Be careful.
Dad!
Whoa. You're strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you are.
Dad!
Yeah. So the reason why they extended it was because it was such a hit. Obviously there's a lot of people here right now. Hopefully, I can't imagine them tearing this thing down in 2021. It's too cool looking. Whoa. So she got tired relatively quick. You're all hot?
Yeah.
We're going to get some water and we'll see if she wants to go back. I really don't know. We're taking a quick break. She got mega hot, drinking some ice cream because it's melted. Well, it was a shake, but... Where are you driving to?
I got a big car.
You driving a car?
Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
It's broken.
It's broken?
Yeah.
You gotta go back the other way, this way. Alright, we're going for round 2. See how long this lasts. We just attempted to get a photo and it did not go well at all. I set her up on a rock and she panicked, so I had to get her it down real quick. You tired already? All right, we gotta get out of here. We're going bye-bye?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Fun.
It was fun?
Fun.
Okay, so did I.
Fun.
I can't run, babe. What are these called again?
I can imagine. What other favorite? What other?
We say bye-bye to everybody?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.